Hey guys, in this video I'm going to set up a RAID array on an R710. I believe I can do this by going into F10. Alright, so I'm booting it up here. Quick backstory, the previous RAID array that I had died. I lost all my data. I think I was on a RAID. Is it RAID 5 where you could lose 2 disks? Yeah, I lost 3. So I think I'm gonna go to a RAID 6, I believe. RAID 6. Oh no, RAID. I think I was on a RAID 6 and I lost 2 drives. So I think I need to go to RAID. 3 drive failure. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want to RAID. Okay, yeah, I think it was the. I think I was on a RAID 6 already. Let's see. I think I was supposed to press C here to load the configuration, but let's see if we can do this in a different location. And I'm in the iDRAC, just FYI. I'm doing this remotely. Alright, so let's see if it boots us into system services here. Alright, looks like I've got some dim errors here. Damn, all the sockets are not happy. Almost there. Alright, looks like it's loading up here. Alright, so we are in the lifecycle controller. Do I want to go to hardware? I think hardware configuration. Where I need to be configuration wizards. Physical security system LOI. Great. Here we go. View modify. Let's see what we got here. We want to view and modify. Wait. Ah, fudge. I knew it looked weird. My keyboard is, or my mouse is all funky here. Let's go back. And I want to go to RAID. Alright, yeah, I got the perk controller. The current RAID configuration. Delete all existing. Yeah, I know. Next. Yep, that's the one. Blah blah blah. Let's do express. Select a RAID array. Let's just do express. Good. Alright, here we go. What RAID level do we choose? We want. See, they got a bunch here. Or do they? Stop it. Oh, they have RAID 50. RAID. Alright. Blah, blah, blah. Fine, we'll do. We'll do the RAID 6. That gives us a piece of crap. A little bit more than a terabyte. What's the RAID 5? Did that change anything? That did not change. Jack. Okay, what is my total space? It's supposed to have a lot more than this. What is it? What? That's not right. Did I put all my hard drives in here? So they're supposed to be. What is it? 8 bays and 900 gig drives each in each bay. So RAID 5 sees it. Okay, let's go back. Let's do advanced. If I do RAID 0, how many disks do you see? Alright, yeah, these are all my 900. There they are. Select all. Number. Oh my goodness. Come on. Select all. There we go. They're all SAS drives. Piece of crap. They're all SAS drives. They're all piece of crap. They're all hard drives. Yeah, I'm selecting all. They're all 900 gigs. So if I click next, yeah, that should give me 6 terabytes. Okay. I don't know what was going on there. Let's go back. Select all, and now we're gonna do select all. Go back. All right, now we're gonna do RAID 6. Piece of crap. Select all. How much space does it give me now? Okay, all right, I can live with that. 5 terabytes. Yeah, I can live with that. So. Alright, so I kind of want to break this out a bit because you know what? I'll break it out. I was gonna break it out and do like one disk, set up one disk, like disk 0, as a RAID 0 on its own, but that's 900 gigs wasted. I was gonna put the OS on there. But like I said, that's 900 gigs wasted, so we will just leave everything as default. I'll break it up in the operating system when I install the OS. No, somebody needs to be a hot spare. Assigned hot spare. Whatever. Alright, we'll finish that out. Yes. Cool. Much better. All right, so now we can go back, and then we'll just exit and reboot here. There's my mouse. Or whatever. There we go. Exit and reboot. All right. Great. So now on it reboots, let me go ahead and pop the ISO in for the OS. All right, it's booting back up, and I'm gonna hit F11. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna hit F2 because I want to change it from BIOS to UEFI. I want to try something. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. I just wanted to showcase how to create a RAID array on a Dell PowerEdge R710, a hardware RAID array. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.